Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow house for sale in the gated community of Irwin Meadows. The property comes with AC units, hurricane shutters, water heater and fruit trees. The land area of this house is approximately 900 square feet. Guys, let's take a quick look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 20 million or US $129.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.